at Texas. Here in the tiny house, and we're going for a walk. So here we are, Saturday morning. Beautiful. Sun is up already. It's 9 o'clock. Look at this tiny house over here, and they're quite building more a lot on that side. So yeah.
Have a basketball court.
Yeah, they got a playground. Nice little basketball court. Pretty much a pretty cool spot to, get away with the city. It's just an hour away from home. Very serene, quiet, peaceful. Lots of woods. Look at that.
That's it.
Yeah, right. How was your stay, Ma?
Awesome, great.
Yeah.
Highly recommended.
Lalakad lang kami ngadi. Itong kakahuyan. You know what I'm saying? If you know what I'm saying. Look at the trees. Oh my God, it's like candles. So straight going up. Right? Look. Woo. And we're just gonna go around the lake. Yeah, we'll just walk for a little bit. Walk down in the woods. I'm trying to inhale and get some fresh air. Was that a power?
Gumamela?
Nope. And that side is a private property, so they have their own dock where they can put their boats on and do not enter. No, the pond. So let's go that way. Yeah. So this is more like a probably 2 acres property. They converted it as a tiny house fabrication, and I think they're building. Welcome. I think they're building tiny houses over here if you want. And the idea of coming over here is just, oh, this is beautiful here. The idea of coming here is just to give us a the look for the the tiny house that we've been dreaming of. But she said it's a little way too small for her. But the main thing is we have the main thing is we have the idea of what's the look inside, the concept and everything. We're gonna build something like that in the future. So we already have the idea of what we can do. So yeah, look at this field right here. It's beautiful. Yeah, birds chirping all the way around. Nature, man, nature. We can't wait to live like simple life. Yeah. Huh?
Muruhon. You wanna do a panoramic?
There we go. Come on. So yeah, unfortunately the playground is closed right now. They have a little playground over here, and Skylar won't play. I mean, Skylar can't play because they closed it for you know, protocol reasons. Lots of trees over here, man. Skyrocketing, skyrocketing, going up high.
No, but you can picture like in the forest.
Look at this huge, huge tree. Wow. Look at these guys. Look how big. Look how massive is that. I'm only halfway around. Can you imagine, you know, using it as a timber, as a lumber? It looks like it's probably 100 feet. And here's another one. Here's another tiny house. The tiny house we're staying is a trailer, and you can pull it anywhere you want to. But no, there's some more over here. I mean, those are not trailers. Those are permanent tiny houses right here, and all of these are Airbnb, and you can book yourself. I mean, you can book you and your family over here, stay for like a night or 2 nights or whatever you want, you know, just chill out. You also have big logs over here that they carved into benches. Buta. Ano ang buta daw? Ay man, kakuha. A nice little pond, but that right there is a private property on the other side, so you can't go there. Yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. um, Thank you for all your support. We love you. We will see you on the next vlog, and the Island Spice Vlog signing out. Peace out.